In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Samsung phone camera without unlocking it. Literally, if you want to take pictures on your Samsung phone, then you need to unlock it. Once unlocked, go to your app menu or app screen or search for camera to use it. However, there is a feature on Samsung Galaxy phones that allows you to use the Samsung phone camera on lock screen, so you don't need to unlock your Samsung phone before you can easily use the camera. And this is what I'm saying. If you just press the camera icon here, drag left, then if you see the camera pop up, I can choose videos, I can choose portrait, I can choose phone, I can choose so many other features from my Samsung Galaxy phone camera. So in this video, you'll learn how you can easily use your Samsung phone from that lock screen. So if you know this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use your Samsung phone camera when the screen is locked, first you need to unlock your Samsung phone. Now, go to your Samsung phone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. Once you selected wallpaper and style, you should see your active wallpaper. If you click on the first one, you get to know that this is your lock screen. You see this? Now, this is your home screen. So this is how my home screen looks. Now, to use your Samsung phone camera when your phone is locked, click on the lock screen wallpaper. Now, once you selected that, click on the menu icon here. Whether you have plus or any app indication here, then you want to make sure you select that. I can see I just removed the camera application from that space. Then click on this plus icon. Once you selected it, locate the camera app and then click on it. Once you selected the camera application, you should see the camera added here. Then click on the done button at top right. Wait for this to change. You see change apply to lock screen. Now let's go back to our Samsung phone and lock the screen. Once the screen is locked just like this and you want to take photos or videos on lock screen on your Samsung phone, what you need to do is just press the side button just once like this, and then press and hold the camera at the bottom right and swipe left. You just see this. Then your Samsung phone camera is going to open automatically. Then just do this. While your phone is locked, you can see my Samsung phone is locked. That's why it's requesting for fingerprint. You can just click on the camera icon and then swipe left to open the camera icon on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how to use Samsung phone camera when the phone is locked. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.